find out today, say, I sleep with 15 man, what would you do?
That's impossible, but
It's not impossible.
You may talk about it.
It's not, you don't know none about me. Cause me bad.
And your boy Capo there and
Back with another
blazing
video.
As you can see by the title.
On a good girl, I ask the dirty boy when he Capo some awkward questions. You know, things will be fine awkward and things will get to other people video, you know. Yeah, yeah, right there, so.
Yeah, guys, so let's see if we can answer them honestly and think.
No, you can answer them honestly.
Alright. And so, guys,
if you're new, please to subscribe. Subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
Subscribe to Abbi's Madness.
Oh, the good girl answer.
Yes. And subscribe to your boy Capo TV. Yeah, man.
Is your channel your boy Capo TV?
No,
or Capo's TV?
Capo's TV.
Okay. Just want to clarify that because that's what I always be thinking. Like, what the hell is the channel name?
Okay, so subscribe to Capo's TV, guys.
Yeah, guys, and if I don't see good girl clothes tear up pants, some people wouldn't even know the struggle. One of the best believe said this was a pants. Yeah, the crutches tear out and so. Some say, alright then, cut out the crutches, look more and so. Book drop it, sir. But guess how when that good girl go in and the tear, look weird. That's how I see them so me. But good girl say, she not change it. Capo, build up, yeah, show them back far.
You want to see the back of it? Anyways, let's not discuss that.
Yeah, guys, so don't further attack. We don't know what to do. Oh, remember follow up on the gram right down and so. Right down and so, guys, right down and so. Yeah. So don't further attacking.
Let's flick into the video. Hey. I say it's so serious enough.
Yeah, but we are flick. Yeah, we are flick that.
It's alright.
Sure.
Come on, understand.
Stay go for skin out and yeah, try black that.
Yeah, skin out too much, man.
Oh, I don't think you, but I'm going to drop it by you. We have the questions, right this, Yeah, alright. Alright, first question is, if your girlfriend mouth stink and she in a crowd, and talk to people, and you see people, look at the sign there and indicate say her mouth stink and so, but she not say, but you are say, what you would do?
First thing, I pull her away, so she know.
So she attack
I take her out of the crowd.
Yeah.
So she stop her attacking.
So how would you approach them?
Approach them or approach she?
Yeah, can she attack the people?
Are you alright? If I you do that, Abbi. I just call and say, I'm talking about somebody want to talk on the phone, you get me? Distract you, make you come to me and then I just make you know, say, hey, well, you stay so. Hey, go and brush your teeth.
I saw you not say
I tell her, say, Abbi, you know me, I go tell you. I tell her, say,
I
tell her, say, look like people must smell your mouth. That's funny. But I tell her, say, yo, your mouth don't smell right. You know, I'm probably not tell her, say, Abbi, no, say, look like, say, your mouth don't smell good. And I smell it. I go so, make it out on my face and smell your mouth. And then now, if you realize your mouth really stink, you know, I must tell her, say, I'm going to go out yard. If you can't leave the place, I buy you some, they call it there, winter fresh in your mouth, and I just make a dog go talk to nobody else. No, because I know I go talk to nobody else, and your mouth still stink. The other thing embarrassing, you know? See that joke.
Alright, guys.
Embarrassing, bad.
The second question is, have you ever played with your local snake?
Wait, back my fist?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm trying to pretty it up because kids are watching.
Really? What do you mean, man? But now I don't talk. Jerk off already.
You could have eyed and talk, you come there and say, if you ever drop a lamb, say, lying! Right. How many times a week do you play with your snake?
That's so often. I will take bad man for.
For sum it up in a month, how many times a month then?
Abbi, it's hard to say that, but how much time a month, Abbi? If I play it one time for the month, that's enough.
Yeah, but really?
Maybe I twice a month still, isn't me?
Yeah,
that's about jerk off, you know? Yeah. How I feel like say, I mean I bash on that man every time?
People keep a lie.
No.
Keep a read for a month, Mama tell you.
No more I know this.
Keep on reading for almost 10 times then for the
month.
For the month.
Why you know that?
Cause you ever tell me?
Bumbo, I be wicked.
Truth.
I want you alone, me tell her, you know, cause me I say, yo, you know me there? Me say, yo, I want to say her face to me, say, yeah, man.
How my face look?
I guess, boy, you know what you think.
I feel busy, boy.
Yeah, but don't come to try to do that, man.
Actually.
About 10 times for the month, they take bad man for.
Come on. You know I shoot.
I mean, I shoot to you.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Where I come from now.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Would you be okay if your girlfriend has a sugar daddy?
Yeah, that would be okay with that.
Capo, your girlfriend have a sugar daddy, he might buy her one bag of things also. Say him live all a foreign to also.
Me and her, when she meet him, me and her, before me meet her,
It no matter when, it can be
matter
before
when.
or after. You see, she benefit in so many when she get lunch, she get this, she get that. And you know,
Me
so
nah
she
go
not
okay
really
with that.
like him.
Yes.
But she just have benefit from the money
yes,
wise.
but
and
that
stuff.
will lead to a bad ending no matter how you take it.
Oh.
Because every man,
And
Is
the
that
sugar,
investment the man making a year?
the sugar daddy know about you.
it's still a hard thing because
Oh.
the man make an investment in you same way.
And you have benefit.
Me don't want to benefit from the man investment.
Mm.
So when the man have sending money to you and I buy your land and them thing there, the man have plans for you. Don't feel like man have plans for you.
You want to get rich in a life.
If you want to get rich in life, not alone. You might want your body too.
So no, sugar daddy.
No, but you want to grind you.
I suppose.
So you know, eventually I got to do that to you.
Uh,
But so me now, if you even accept say you want sugar daddy, me not go steal you. Me not go steal you, because me go feel that way.
nah.
The worst if me know me not money to give you because the man have money making and me. I say you a gold digger thing.
You know, so I saw you go. You have
Me
to
nah
dig
go say-
sometime
me nah-
and get the goal.
I feel like me just alright with
Yeah,
that.
but you know you have to dig sometime and get the
Yeah,
goal.
I understand, but I don't feel like worst like when I'm bonafide girl, I wouldn't feel good with that.
Hmm.
When I'm side girl, I know that alright, this is me, but not like you.
Nah. You ever chat more with none of your friend them, like sexual talk with none of your friend them? Boy me?
Sexual talk.
You chat more with none of your friend them, dirty capper?
Yeah, man.
You chat with your dirty friend them say, sexual talk no?
Yeah.
Say ooh, about what?
Ooh,
Alright,
what
talk
about
about the ooh, what? If so, what?
If so, what? You have a question for that too?
It's a part of the question. If so, what? What
What do you
exactly?
mean, man? I have to talk about that, man.
Where you talk about
A long time ago, a long time ago.
It doesn't
A
matter.
long time when you got to know you don't know reason still, you know, but.
It doesn't matter.
We talk about sex and about girlfriend and everything.
Yeah, man, I ask about them girlfriend. I ask about.
I'm talk about
what
you, say.
yeah.
We can't say, we don't remember Abbi, because I go down and talk about them things, but we generally have to talk about, isn't it, how what go on and, you know?
Come on, I understand what's going on. I can't understand the man talk.
Exactly.
Say, if you come to me.
We have to talk about it, man.
Like,
No, we don't talk about them things that, you know, so more time
I
dog
know,
a reason.
I mean,
More time
like
Bridget reason, man. I say, yo, no, say, oh, she bad in her brother.
So when you talk about me, when you talk about me, say to your friend. That's the question.
I tell them, say, yo, if you have a reason about sex and them things there, tell them, say, you're bad, but they don't know you not do certain things.
Capo, why you tell them somebody on camera? I know say me underage.
Yeah. Hey, watch out. Don't come down. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, old man.
Why
Don't do that.
you talk about?
We talk about them things, man. Compare like girlfriend to all our ex-girlfriend, you see me? And you know?
We compare me say about the ex-girlfriend.
Yo, she body, see me, brother? Them things there. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
but I know why you come live on the camera, you know?
Not like, but yeah. Oh, what you want me to talk about woman comparison now? No, you have to go too far this man. Move on. Babe, I'm a body.
Oh, yeah, silly.
Why?
If me and your mother up on a cliff about to fall off, who would you save first and why?
I say mother first. Alright, it depends on who that
And
is.
why?
Why?
Two hours up on a cliff
No,
about for drop off, who would you save first?
2 hours, no? So,
2 hours up
how
on a
many there?
cliff? Yeah, you save, but you see 2 hours you go drop off.
We can't.
Who would you, who would you save first? You don't say your
No,
mother
because naturally, I'm my mother first.
Nah, every man say
Because
that.
your mother being come
I
on, you
never
not go
man-
on.
you
You're
know
going to
my
mother
man
name.
been
You're
no
going to make your
man.
mother name the point.
You're gonna make your girlfriend with so
I'm
called
going
in
to save
love
you. I'm trying to save you too.
So you go for your mother first.
Depends on like who we can reach first or something
Two
like
of them they on the cliff about for drop off.
that. Eh.
And you can only grab one
We
first.
can only grab one.
One first so I can drop off. You know what? When they the more time run out, somebody I go drop.
Yeah, that question they hard question.
No, you don't answer.
Yeah, man, say, but the question that question they hard, man. You can't do a man that.
Say you just gonna drop me off of the cliff. So.
No, I'm not dropping off the cliff.
So when time I drop off of the cliff, I hope you find somebody as nice as me, yeah.
That's I think now, because that come like, yeah, try. I'll be a life you talk about, you know.
Yeah, you're right to life.
So, I'm not going to say, alright. Even naturally, you're going to say your mother first.
No, not every man say that.
I want to say man kill him, your mother dead.
So yeah, man, I say man make him girlfriend dead. Because if I saw you put it, because I saw you put it, because I understand this, you know. Because enough man say them would have catch them girlfriend first. Enough man say them would catch them mother first. So I ask you a question.
Alright, man, sorry. The question, at least you call it accurate question.
So why is it so? Because it's simple the fact that she bring a
I feel like it's just instinctive.
Don't say instinct can make you grab your mother first.
No, well, I guess so. But if we really like, if the situation happen, because this is not theory, you know. But if it happen in real life, you don't have time to think, say, yo, you have to pick one. You have to probably pick the one you know probably would survive. I don't know, it's hard, brother. We can't answer the question.
So, alright,
the question is an awkward
question.
question.
Say, you'll probably pick the one that you think would survive. Like, what you mean, like, would survive? Like,
one down at the bottom of the cliff.
Fire.
Bomba.
Them are dropping a lava.
Yo. Abbi, a question that can't. If me
no, you answer the question. You don't answer the question.
You say lava down at the bottom.
Yeah, lava down at the bottom now. I put lava. Some dangerous. The more, you know, once them drop them dead then. Simple. As them drop them dead.
It's hard for a man to remember that the man kill his wife or kill his mother, you know.
The man never do it. The cliff did it.
No, yeah, but your choice decide who survive and who dead though. And my choice, I mean that decide who survive, you know. And who dead, so who me I can live with it. It's hard still.
You don't say your mother already. You don't say your mother. So you say that your instinct. Your instinct. So no, from now on, I pray you say that just left me in a cliff.
No, I'm going to leave my cliff for dead.
No, but you know what kind of answer me with me and you grab on the two away and if I can't go to watch you with it. That's the answer. That's the answer me actually look for. Since we don't want to put him in that awkward situation, what's that again? You tell the truth.
You want to share with them?
You just say my mom first. That's what you said.
Alright.
You just say my mother first.
Alright, next question.
You know me now why you was my husband. That's my wife and you married upon the cliff that make me dead. Instead of try and grab the two away and pull. You so quick you say your mother? Who don't want him? Nobody don't want him now. If not even say alright, then make him say alright, then would I try and grab the two away. Have you ever smelt me on my period?
No. Relax now. Relax. The only reason I'm not available on period is because I believe I hurt her. Other than that, I'm not smell her.
So when I come out about when?
No, I explain to me, never smell her. But I say, the only reason I'm not saying on period, I actually believe I hurt you. Point blank on period. Yeah.
So do you know how period scent smell?
I figure say it smell raw.
Why?
One time I left, you think them in the bathroom, you know. I never smell it. It smell away for real.
Yeah, but you're not talking about what is it?
It smell raw for real, man. It must smell raw.
Raw, said.
One time I left the bag them in the bathroom. Tie up sitting there, man.
So you smell that and
because they are growing inside the toilet. I mean, I use the toilet.
But the tie, so you're not supposed to smell it?
You smell it one time. Smell it one time, man.
You sure that you smell yourself?
Not myself that. No, myself that.
You have a sober tie. So how you smell that?
Oh, smell it. Abbi, so
all the way you don't smell that unless your nose is directly to it's in the bag tie up.
Oh. Okay.
That's why we ask you if you should eat it yourself.
You wanna eat?
Because that is not something where you're supposed to even smell. Going to the bathroom, people used to bathroom, going to the bathroom, you're not supposed to smell like.
Okay.
So
I could myself.
I must yourself.
Yeah, I get defensive now.
I'm getting about scam know me.
Alright. The question like you get awkward.
Like come on, yeah, answer.
Alright, got you.
Alright. What would you do if you find out I slept with more than 15 guys?
What that do? Like right now?
Right now. If you find out today, say, I sleep with 15 man, what would you do?
That's impossible, but
it's not impossible.
You matter about it.
It's not, you don't know none about me. I'm bad.
Yeah, it's bad enough. Anyway. find out say you sleep with 15 man. That means you give me a whole heap of bun.
Yeah.
So that left you.
Yeah, you would have for me, I go out good and there.
If I find out say if you sleep with 15 man, Abby, I'm know we may start talk.
It doesn't matter. Suppose me I do it to be between when time I talk.
Exactly, between since me and talk you do it over years.
And to always so called in love. So you just walk away from that because you find out.
Once I confirm say I sleep with too much man, and I never know about it, me I left you. Yeah.
Alright. People want to think about the answer.
No,
Just tell me you don't want to think about all of that.
I'm say either from me, I never know, and then I find out all that.
Yeah, it's still blue, you know, done and gone, and then say she do it, and then, you know,
what?
she do while to want to attack and so on, and then, when they end up, alright, she end up
15 man?
to fall in love now, and then she say, yeah, she in love now, so she don't need to
So where the confess?
go down the place now.
Alright, I'm gonna find out. No, not like your confess, but me I say, I'm gonna find out, say, are you tell me?
Yeah. So she realized, alright, to want deeply in love, and then she come tell you, say, that she do, she actually, you know.
During the time,
yeah, during the time, before and during.
No, during.
Before the start talk.
I want to watch my siblings going me and talk.
Alright.
The whole of them.
Yeah, the whole of them.
If I walk out, I've been say, when me feel like some the man, the other man.
No, but that I would force she fall in love with you and
but me not there talk.
Yeah, you're not there talk.
I can't live with that.
So you're not there.
Yeah. Can't trust her.
Even though you're in love, answer.
So that not love and damage just man? The fact say do that. Idiot man, probably do that again too.
Even though she come confess, she did not do it, but she in love now, so she not do it again.
Abbi, we can't say anything now. We can't say anything here. Boy, boy confess.
Alright.
You can keep it there grave man, boy I confess.
Do you have any female family who you think you would have smashed? Any female family who look sexy enough for you, tell yourself, say, oh man, if she never related to me, me that smash her ass.
No.
You're not a female family that think you're that smash.
No.
I
don't find none of my family attractive like that. All if them not good, but still don't find them attractive in that way. So no.
Why?
I just not look upon them so. So all if you shot me I know me I think about somebody, but just can't see the picture in my head. No, none of them. All them just look like normal people like.
Have you ever seen your mother naked?
At the dish ban?
Naked as a dish ban. You never see your mother titty and pum pum and so?
Never. Not that me can remember. Maybe a little, you know, but not since me can remember. I'm not open to mother naked neither.
Guys, go mind the dance in the background. Abbi Dopey come back up. Yeah. Be a Dopey. Right, true.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about a woman having a boy, your woman having a boy best friend?
Well, here we know. The topic I touch, you know. So if me meet her with the boy best friend, I'm not going to fight him out, but eventually I'm going to get pushed out. Because I'm going to take up all of the friendship role he used to play. And I'm going to be her man. So it's not going to work. So I'm not going to tell her to stop talking to him. I'm going to stop talking to him, naturally. Because whatever shit he used to do, me and her are going to start doing. Plus more. So yeah, I'm going to get pushed out. So. Oh. Yeah.
When you spend out here, so
no, because she have a boyfriend, you know. Well, not boyfriend, but I'm virgin. She
have a boyfriend?
Yes, yeah, so she and them close still. But you don't know when you keep forward, eventually she and him drift apart. Why look at me like that?
Yeah, listen.
Your boyfriend. Can't trust them, you know. Swear to you.
So you don't answer the question?
Yes, so you not go. I don't have to tell you to stop talking to your boy best friend. You not go stop talk. And if I'm batty man, your boy best friend.
So you don't make a batty boy slide?
No, me and not go back. Me not go say like, alright, put your boy best friend on a batty man. He not look on you as a woman. But it does.
But me a stripping for time and them so many.
But that not go work. I don't know say my fish no, but that not go work. Cause you can never make a hear him. You know I hear mention him. You want to see my text the phone. And worse, I go send you some dirty voice note and everything there. My fuck man. I don't want to hear that. So just cut it off. Yeah. That not sound good. That sound nasty, Abbi.
Does age matter in a relationship?
Age, it matters. Because with age, people don't have all the time in the butt. sometimes age, experience and maturity come through age sometimes, and wisdom. So you don't want to talk to a boy, well, too older than you, for the girl them, as a man now, you don't want a girl with too younger than you or too older than you same way. Because you have a thing called generation gap. So if the girl are 15 years older than you now in them age, or younger than you, you're not going to share enough things in common. Like, you can't share certain pastime story. You don't know 90s kids them can talk about certain cartoon, and certain movie, and music, yeah.
A cartoon and music, a driver.
And movie. I'll show you an example. So, the age doesn't matter that way there. And just certain things, man. Certain life goals when you have at an age. Alright, say a man now when I'm 30s and, you know, because man mature slow than a woman, you know. So, the man at 25, a girl can be at 16 or 17, you know, and she ready for that man because so woman grow faster than man still. Is it? But it also go away sometimes when them too far apart. The age gap can't be too wide.
Even though social media is somebody now and everybody exposes certain things. Because you have some girl that talk to young boy, I not try and say question, but I say some girl that talk to young boy, no, some girl that talk to old man, right? Yeah. And the old man them, because you know 2020, everybody are living a modern time now, so them long time days where the old man would have things, two of them know I think the same. Because maybe in a relationship now, you know, so therefore, we want to build together, so we have to try to have the same goals together.
But if the man an old man, he probably build film, he probably live a second life now, because he must have family and kids already, and then he meet this young girl.
Maybe.
He must try to bring up, so he must live, he must build she.
Maybe.
And I hope that she can love him. Because if he's old, he don't know him then, he probably insecure about himself already. And feel that young girl can make him feel young again. I don't know. But I don't want nobody too old than me or worse too younger than me.
Say what do you want?
You don't laugh.
Alright. What do you think about a woman who look a man?
That's Abby. You have to be decisive here. No, wait. If you like a youth, you can look at youth. You see me? Because if you be like that, man. Because enough time people like, we feel like man always have to look the girl them. If a girl like you, and she look you as a man, don't feel no way about it. When I never approach me. I be sending a girl to me.
I send a couple girls to you.
Yeah. But everybody take them serious, you know. So I end up giving my friend her number and thing. And then I text her. But me I sure you say, but she never approach me. Who do they say now?
Yeah, who do they say now? And guys best believe kept the first boy I ever say, you know, all along a boy look me, you know. And I say this boy would look more act style. Them time I'm in love with more act style. I'm not even see the boy face, you know. So they were extra up the boy. Kept on never see a face. I'm see the more act, you know, the athletic body. I'm say,
yeah.
I'm say girls, go tell them boy that I like him.
Tell them boy that.
Tell them boy that I like him. Kind of walk with him friend them also. The boy with more act. Right, sure.
So you the girl them now, you can look the boy them sometime, man.
Alright. You boys were boring nice girls or crazy nice girls?
Crazy.
Boring nice girls, like she know, she like.
No man, no want a boring girl. Boring girl. No man, no one.
That song is only for girls that in bed.
No, but generally speaking, you see man love excitement. Me easily get bored enough. We get bored, I go sleep. Me until I get bored. So, more my girlfriend to be exciting, full of excitement, they get me.
Crazy.
Push the button and them thing, you know. Yeah man, crazy, I want the whole heap of crazy things.
So, you know why the girls do the crazy things, there, boy? You say when the girls do the crazy things, they complain and say, like, girl, it mean she just this and she just that, but I don't know why. No want it, but you still not complain about it.
I like the craziness.
But why complain about it?
I not complain about craziness.
Yeah, but me is a mad girl. And you went up the craziness dropping, you complain and say, I'm do that, and I say, well.
I can't angle your madness.
You can't angle it. Because sometimes you get to control it and do things and make me have to run.
No, when about angling the madness that. Why are you running for? Why are you running? But yeah man, you're not like a boring girl.
Alright. I think this is the last question, guys. What do you think about a female proposing to a man? To a man.
Well, I guess to each him own, you know. So I feel like it's an issue, but usually it's better. Well, it's not better, because I say it's not really better. But traditionally, a man must propose to a woman. And I guess it's a dependency thing. If a woman proposes to a man, it could make her she want the man more than the man wants she. You know?
So, yeah, that's what that mean.
Or she have force. You see, man don't like when woman force themselves on them, you know. I don't like when a man force himself on me neither.
You hear the ladies coming from a man?
But woman like to chase men. Woman love chase man, you know. Yeah, it's funny, you know. Woman like when a man, she like when she never sure if the man is that. You think I joke? Woman don't like when she not like when she sure if the man, you know. She like when she knows say, yo, that boy left me anytime, right? That boy had this and yeah. So sometimes the woman will propose. But as a man, if my girl propose to me, I feel that way. I feel like, what if I'm not ready for marriage? It's supposed to ask for turning on a woman, you know? Abbi never think about going to yet. So if Abbi ever propose to me one day, I tell her I'm not ready for marriage yet. And then probably I'm surprise her and propose to her back. I don't know if no marriage must still, but I say. What do you think about it?
I hear questions. I'm asking you answer questions. I don't know.
You see, I'm going to propose to Capo.
See, I'm going to propose to Capo. I'm boss God who don't come here.
Because
me that never gonna bow my knees, my good knees. Ben no and Papa on the summer so with ring and say, will you marry me to no boy?
No boy matter what?
No boy, no matter what.
Alright then.
Outside I'm right, a boy have to propose to me. And I went time I want to propose. Any man can propose to me, but I know any man may go say no, I do too. You have to come good. You have to make sure say alright then, I see say shades.
Me at that book?
Take it the fuck you. The fuck who else that talk
So you
to?
think I propose to you one day?
Come on, but tell you, if you don't change your ways, you come propose to me, I'm running you.
So you think I propose to you one day?
Come on, I run you.
You think I propose to you one day?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to think about that because I think about if you don't change your ways, you come boy, you come hold up on your knees and propose and walk, clap me down. You know, I remember propose and you tell you to marriage and marriage is a thing, you know, where you, sign up and all of that shit and, you know, the boy that come clap me down when say we been have problem. Yeah. And if you don't fix the problem, don't come talk.
Alright. We get to your say.
Yeah, but I get.
Oh boy, I gave him a lecture a while ago.
I've been giving him lectures, guys. True. It's not the first. And no matter how much we chat, I love chat, no matter how much we chat. No matter how much we chat.
Cap on our ear?
Cap on our ear. I can come out there more, guys. So I think this is the end of the video, guys. And we're about to do we call it. He's gonna ask me some questions, awkward questions too. Yeah. So we're gonna do a next video for that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button.
Subscribe for the new.
And remember to go over to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. That's where the video will next part. Next part. Yeah, it'll go over there. So yeah, remember to follow the Abbi's Madness or the good girl answer.
Yeah, guys. And go on Capo's TV and subscribe to Capo's TV.
Search for the Capo. I remember follow Panogram down below. Right down a song, yeah. Right true.
So you don't know, say?
AC girl is
out.
Bye.